just use the digital pen and the receiver unit. When you press here, a pen shows. And what you write.
So you're just writing words on a regular piece of paper. We've attached this little device here, which is a very small little device there. That one right there, and we're up to number 13 on there. But you're just writing hello, welcome, some nice words on there, etc., just like we would take notes in a seminar or in a business meeting, etc.
Yes, and also in the classroom.
Oh, in the classroom. Hey, your classrooms are good.
Yes, for the students. Everybody can need this item.
Even in government schools in the U.S., right?
Yes. Okay, and you can press the key. You can create a new page.
Okay, so you press that letter, and it creates a brand new page. Now we got a new page here.
All the sketches and the drawings can be stored by the device. Okay, when you're back to the office or at home, you just use a normal USB cable.
Okay, so you're plugging that into the device, cable from the USB, and it goes back to your computer. Okay, now let's show the computer, and tell me what you're doing here.
Your device was detected, right? Do you want to upload your notes? Yes. Okay, let's see.
And we're seeing several that you've had there before. And there it is. The hello, welcome, the words that you just wrote on the piece of paper right here are now on the computer.
Yes, you see 100% the same as what you write just now.
Oh, that's great. And so how many pages can we put on there?
Over 100 pieces A4 size page.
A4 size, so the 8.5 by 11 we use in the United States would be easily 100 if you're using A4, which is common over in Europe and Asia.
Yes, you can use the regular paper. Less than A4 size is okay. No need a special paper.
And what is the retail price on this?
The character price we suggest is about $99 or $89. This is a new item. We just want to.
Okay, so $89.
Yes, we suggest the retailer price. Okay, and let's see. You can export the notes to JPEG file.
So the notes can be a JPEG file?
Yes, and you can also send by email as attachment very easily, immediately.
Send it as an attachment that way?
Yes.
So that way I could take the notes in the class and then quickly send those email rapidly to others, and they would be able to see exactly what was covered.
Yes, and we can show you another function that is very useful. When you connect to computer, it can work online. Let's see what happens. Just here. A tablet PC. A tablet can show here, and what you write.
So that as you're writing it, it appears on the screen. That could be good for a presentation, for training, so that people will see it, so that way, say, for instance, if you're giving notes or a lecture to hundreds or thousands of people, that could be demonstrated right there on the screen.
Yes, of course. And you can also find another amazing function. You just press here, and a mouse shows, right? And then the pen can be used as a mouse. You see?
That falls into the wow category.
Yes. And you see.
So this is really, as a matter of fact, what is your name, sir? Yeah, Mark, standing here with me. Mark, if you don't mind, I get you on the video here. You're saying that you just made a comment I thought was very good. What was that?
It's like a portable tablet. You don't have to spend money or cart one around. It goes in your pocket.
This is a whole lot easier than buying a huge tablet. You get this little thing here for, figure, less than $100. And you've got that, and those tablets will cost more than that anyway. And so now you got that. We can